Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Programming Tech. In today's video, I am going to perform certain functions with Oracle database like creating new user, grant system or object privileges, create a table, etc. So I have installed Oracle database 12c in my laptop. So first, run the SQL plus. So now we have to connect to our system database administrator account using this command conn /as sysdba. Now whenever we have to change anything or alter the session, we have to set alter session true by running this command alter session set oracle script is equals to true. Now we are connected as sysdba and have complete access of all things like admin, and we can alter the session as well. Now I will create a new user named as Ibtisam by this command create user Ibtisam, which is a username identified by password, and here password is 12345667 and user is created successfully. We will grant some privileges to our newly created user. Grant create session, alter session, create view and create table to our newly created user Ibtisam. Privileges are successfully granted. Now we will connect to our user account Ibtisam because we want to create a table in Ibtisam table space. So successfully connected. Now there are many object privileges also, but for that we have to create a table first. Create table example. Table name is example. First column name is ID, which data type is number and size is 20. Second column name is the first name, data type is varchar, maximum size is 100. So table is created successfully. So now I want to show you the table description using this command descr example table name. Using this command you can see the description of the table below. ID, first name, type is number, varchar and the sizes which we mentioned in the above command. Now we can grant many object privileges to our user, but first of all we have to connect as sysdba account because only he has the right to grant any privileges. Now we can give object privileges to our user. Grant select on Ibtisam. Ibtisam is a table space here. Dot example. Example is a table name which we recently created. To Ibtisam. Ibtisam here is a user which we created. So grant successfully. So this is all for this video. In next videos I will tell you about creating and granting roles, and also will try to interact with SQL developer. If you like the video, then like, comment and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.